Okay, today we are going to learn Gaussian elimination to solve this system of equations. The first one being 3x1 minus x2 equals 2, and x1 plus 2x2 equals 10. How we'll start this is we will create a coefficient matrix, and that's where we take each coefficient and create an augmented matrix so that we can solve it more easily. So we'll start with 3, because there's 3x1, and then there's 1x1 down here. This is a minus 1, x2, and a plus 2, x2. Now we augment it to include our answers, 2 and 10. Now we're going to use something called Gaussian row elimination so that we can end up with an identity matrix, which will be 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, and then whatever our x1s will equal. So this is what we're looking for. So we'll start by flipping these rows because we want the 1 in that position. Next, we're going to multiply row 1 by -3 and add it to row 2 and put it in row 2. So row 1 stays the same, but this row changes. So this will become -3 plus 3, which is 0, and -6 minus 1, which is -7, -30 plus 2 is -28. Now we can divide this row by -7. This row will stay the same. 0, 1, and 28 divided by 7 is 4. So now we're going to multiply R2, or -2R2, plus R1 goes into R1. So this 1 will remain, because 2 times 0 is 0, and then -2 times 1 plus 2 is 0. -2 times 4 is -8, plus 10 is 2. And then this row stays the same. That means, using this, x1 equals 2 and x2 equals 4. And that is the answer to our system.